in Bhagavad Gita Chapter 1 verse 1, we have talked about two universes. One is external universe and one is internal universe.
Absolutely right.
So the external universe is 10 to the power 25 meters.
Meters, yes.
And the internal universe is 10 to the power minus 34 meters.
Yes.
What is the context in which this is talked about?
Okay. Like I said, we are a spiritual science class. I'm laying down the foundation of the things to come. The biggest question that comes later is, who am I? And we have an inflated ego. In this inflated ego, we think no end of ourselves. We think that we are the center of the universe. Now, when I have brought about these two quantities here, now do you understand? When we say 90 billion light years across, then that figure itself is so mind-boggling. 10 to the power 25 zeros. Do you understand that it is so humongous? Tell me, what is your height?
5 feet 6 inches.
5 feet 6 inches. How insignificant this 5 feet 6 inches is. How do you think that the universe, अभी तो मैं physical universe की ही बात कर रहा हूँ, तो how is physical universe interested in your tragedies, your traumas, your accolades, your sorrows and suffering? No, not at all. I'm so insignificant. So the first thing when you are coming for the Bhagavad Gita classes, this realization, oh my God, I'm very insignificant.
I have no purpose in life.
Probably. Then yes, I have no purpose in life. Or do I have a purpose? Both
Yes.
the things.
Yes.
Do I have a purpose? Where do I fit in? If there is a God,
If there is a God.
I said, if there is a God, if there is somebody who's listening, who's caring, then will He? Because we are absolutely insignificant. And that is the part number one that we are wanting to bring about. When you come to the Bhagavad Gita class, become like a child. Again, become like a child. Understand the Dharma Kshetra and Kurukshetra, the external field of matter and internal field of life and consciousness.
Yes.
Very, very simple. The context is this. However, as we go further, we will talk about many things. So, one, you said your purpose. Who am I? And who are you? Who are you means I'm asking God.
Yes.
I'm asking God, who are you? So, the Gita revolves around the teachings of Lord Krishna to Arjun. Arjun, in later chapters, asks this question.
What question?
The question is, who are you?
Okay.
And who am I? What is this universe?
What is the purpose of life?
And what is the purpose of life? All these questions are answered. And so, in this very first lecture, we have prepared a ground where we have brought these quantities in order for you to understand that with your inflated ego, you are absolutely nobody and nothing. We had uploaded one video on electrons, our body, and who am I? The link is given above for you. From there, we start to understand that the way electrons within our body have a purpose, we also have that purpose. Despite our minuscule frame in comparison to the universe, we have an important role to play.
But how we can know that we have a purpose?
Yeah, that is what it is. You have only read for currently chapter 1, verse 1, not even chapter 1, I said verse 1. So we are developing that thought, and we are developing that thought, like I said, people ask, God, who are you? Who am I? What is this universe? How did this universe come into being? All these questions are going to be answered.
Okay, I'm very excited to listen.
Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, my attempt is to give you as much information or as much knowledge as I have to expose you to this complex but very simple and easy book, The Spiritual Science
Of the Bhagavad Gita. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for our new updates.